I have a 1500 series Delta monitor shower faucet that I am trying to replace, but I cannot remove the portion of the faucet with the handle.
Welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will do my best to help with your issue. If you have the most common style, you have to pop/pry the dome-shaped cap off the front of the handle. Once the cap is off, you'll see a screw that holds the rest of the handle on. Remove that screw and the rest of the handle pulls off.
How hard am I going to need to pull? When I pull, it feels like I am moving the pipes behind the wall.
If you've removed the screws, it should come off pretty easy. Sometimes the handle can seize onto the stem. If you can't get it off, post a picture here and maybe I can see what's going on. You can post a picture here by clicking on the paper clip icon in the toolbar at the top of this dialog box. You can only post from a PC or a Mac, not a phone or a tablet. If that doesn't work for you, then you can upload a pic to a file sharing service like http://tinypic.com/ or https://www.dropbox.com and post the share link to your picture here, or you can email the pic to customer service, but the last option can take quite a while to get to me. Click on the Contact US link to contact customer service. I see an excessive amount of mineral buildup on the handle and stem. It's likely seized up. Since you're replacing the valve, your best bet is to cut the handle off the stem with a hacksaw. Make your cut behind the attachment for the lever part of the handle. Cut right through the handle cylinder. Be sure the water is turned off when you do this.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.